In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a PS5 that just won't connect to Wi-Fi. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if your PS5 isn't connecting to your wireless network, here's some fixes that you can try. First things first, start by just unplugging your Wi-Fi router from the wall outlet. Wait about 1 full minute and then plug it back in to allow it to fully restart. While your router is restarting, go ahead and restart your PS5 as well. This is called a power reset and it will fix most issues immediately. But once both devices are technically plugged back in, check to see if your PS5 is working with the Wi-Fi network. Again, if that didn't fix the problem, go ahead and hit the PlayStation button and go up to the very top and then hit settings on your PS5 home screen. Go into network and then choose set up network connection in the settings just like so. Open this up and what you're looking for is going to be your Wi-Fi network on here. We're just going to use my LAN for this since I'm currently using Ethernet, but essentially hit the options button on your controller and go into advanced settings. The first thing I try is changing your DNS settings from automatic to manual and putting your primary DNS as 8.8.8.8 and your secondary DNS as 8.8.4.4. Or what you can also do is try the Cloudflare DNS, which is 1.1.1.1, and then secondary is 1.0.0.1. Try those. If it's still not working, go ahead and go back to automatic, back out of this section, hit the options button again, but this time go to Wi-Fi frequency bands and change it to 5 gigahertz only. Restart your PS5 and then you should be good to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.